In order for NYSUT to remain strong, it's constantly trying to figure out how to keep this cacophony of different opinions and voices from different parts of the state, how to get them to understand what is their common ground and what is in their interests. That's the constant struggle, but that also is such a main thing that NYSUT has done to keep that unity in place.
That unity would face its most severe test in decades when the Supreme Court handed down its decision in the Janus case in 2018.
When the Supreme Court ruled in Janus that we would no longer be able to have dues automatically, and we would nobody had to stay in the union anymore, it was purely voluntary, we were told this is the end of the labor movement, the end of the union.
Our officers got together. We made it a point to get to every building in the district to meet with each and every individual.
Our reps were having one-to-one conversations in our buildings.
Everyone was speaking to someone, one person at a time.
We separated the cards in stacks of 10, so it was easy for the delegates to get to their 10 people. It was almost a race as to which building could get their cards in fastest. I had buildings that had 100% of their cards in by the end of the first day.
We were told that we could lose up to 10%, 20%.
Our own local, we were able to maintain 100%.
We had 100% stay.
Our local is at 100%.
We did not lose one member.
We were able to sign up over 1,400 of our members. We had 100% participation. It was some of the best union work that we've ever done. Through the 80s and the 90s, NYSUT really did become a beacon of strength for teachers and a political powerhouse. We got comfortable, and the Janus case really forced us to get uncomfortable with who we were and what we were doing, and that work is providing what I believe is the foundation for the next 50 years.
The first 50 years, building this great union, a statewide union with hundreds of thousands of members who believe and trust this union. The next 50 years, bringing in people who are marginalized, making sure that they feel comfortable in this union, how we can make life better for those in our state. That's been our goal. Now just building on that and making it even more apparent that the union movement, that NYSUT should have a role to play forever.